You know what I mean? Like she been there from the beginning. So definitely shout out to Regina, my wife.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, on property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
So speaking of Chicago, when I first saw you in Chicago, I have to tell you, I saw you with your entourage, AKA your family. So how is your family life as an entrepreneur?
Okay, it's amazing, honestly, because it's like they're all involved. You know what I mean? And see, my kids, we lucky enough for one, the first lucky part we have is our struggle phase was when they were babies. So they barely can remember the time that like they were around their aunts and their grandma and everybody babysitting them way more than they were around us at that time when we out there cleaning building by building, because I didn't have it systemized yet, right? I didn't know the hire yet, right? So I'm fortunate and lucky that we got through that phase first, but the fact that we were able to do it and they can remember it, it helps, right? So it helps humble them a little bit. Then for them to see the progression, and it's like then the YouTube really helps because you know they see the subscribers, right? They see that and it means something to them, right? Wow, daddy has, you know what I mean? And then they actually hear the message and they see like, you know what? That makes sense. Like they can't understand every little thing, but when I, you know, I mean, some of the basic lessons there, it makes sense to them. And you know, and then they got to hear me like everything is. I'm trying to figure out how to make it into a business, right? I'm always trying to get them to think above the trends and you know what I mean? Look at what do you really like? What's really going on here, right? So it's like everybody in my household has to be doing something. They don't have to necessarily be entrepreneurs, but you just have to have something going on. So it's like my son knows, okay, which you want to be, what like everything that he does is never like working for somebody related. Is how can he create something within that space if he wants to do it? So I mean, it's fun. Then we started our family YouTube channel as well. So yeah,
what's that called?
Life with the Simmons.
Oh, nice. That's a good name.
Thank you. Yeah, my wife, she's running all of that over there. So anything over there, kudos to her, right? But yeah, man, like I said, my wife just started her apparel company. What is it? regalactivewear.us. So you know, just it's fun, just inspiring, seeing their growth, seeing how they're doing. My son started a shoe company. We still kind of flatline. He didn't want to put the work in, but he started a shoe company at 8 years old. My daughter, she had a fidget company, but now I mean, and they hitting their little rocks in the road, but it's just fun to see everybody develop and doing their own little thing.
That's amazing. You have a whole family of entrepreneurs and you touched on your wife. So when you said we in the beginning, that was you and your wife cleaning and getting out there.
Absolutely. Like, and I say that so much, like in my YouTube videos, so I'm always like, oh, we this, we that. And every time sometimes I got to stop. I'm like, oh, by the way, I'm talking with my wife whenever I say we, right? Because she's been from beginning to the end. And I know like if new people come and follow me and they'll see her now with all the little makeup and stuff on sometime and see, oh, you that gold digger, she just with you because you got the money. Like, nah, you ain't got a clue. She was with me when I had nothing, and she had to go to school and go to work, and I had zero. You know what I mean? And she was paying the bills because I was too busy gambling on yet another entrepreneur idea. So, you know what I mean? Like she been there from the beginning. So definitely shout out to Regina, my wife.
Hey, shout out to Regina. I've seen you guys on Instagram, and you guys seem like a power couple. There's nothing better than love, and on top of it, working. Entrepreneurship together. I think it's amazing. Me and my husband do the same thing. So it creates a different kind of life and a lifestyle, especially for the kids. But I think it's just an amazing thing that you guys are doing and experimenting with life. You know, having your own family YouTube channel, trying different businesses out. I think it's amazing.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business,
check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.